children, we learn more domestic animal. So today we learn some questions about domestic animal. The first question is, could you tell me the names of domestic animal? Answer is cow, goat, sheep, buffalo, horse, camel, donkey, hen and pig. Second question is, which domestic animal gives us to milk? Answer is cow, goat, buffalo, sheep gives us to milk. Third question is, when we are feeling a cold, which animal fur to use to make a sweater? Answer is sheep fur to use to make a sweater. Fourth question is, which animal live in a pen? Answer is sheep, goat or live in a pen. Fifth question is, which is a faithful domestic animal? Answer is horse is a faithful domestic animal. Sixth question is, which animal is live in a stable? Answer is horse is live in a stable. Seventh question is, what is the name of cow's baby? Answer is the name of cow's baby is a calf. Eighth question is, what is the use of cow's milk? Answer is it is used to make a paneer, sweet, curd, yogurt, butter. Ninth question is, could you tell me the use of horse? Answer is riding, racing, pulling car, cultivating field. 10th question is, what is the name of buffalo baby? Answer is the name of buffalo baby is a calf. 11th question is, in the ancient time, which domestic animal we are used to travel? Answer is we used to travel by horse. 12th question is, what is the name of goat baby? Answer is the name of goat baby is a kid. 13th question is, what is the use of goat fur? Answer is the goat fur is used to make a belt and shoes. 14th question is, what is the name of sheep baby? Answer is the name of sheep baby is a lamb. 15th question is, which domestic animal are run very fast? Answer is horse are run very fast. 16th question is, which animal is live in a shade? Answer is cow and buffalo are live in a shade. If you like a video, please subscribe and don't forget press the bell icon. Thank you.